Engineering excitement. May River High School principals of engineering students are designing and building innovative amusement park rides and games.
We made a spinning chair ride which incorporated 4 different seats, and we had it spinning on a gear, and we used little Lego figures as the little people in the chairs. And we also included a bumper switch which stopped and started the ride, and a green and red LED, green when the ride was going and red when the ride stopped.
We kind of made an amusement park ride instead, and so we tried to focus on a false track, which we wanted to do originally. That became a lot harder to do, so instead we decided to make a moving track, which was a lot easier to make, and we had to find the code right and the color hue.
The amusement park project is challenging the students to use Python coding as they gear up their designs.
We had to do a lot of Python coding in it, and so we had to learn how to code an optical sensor into our project, and we had to learn how to code a bumper sensor as well.
I really enjoyed getting more into the coding aspect of this class, so I was able to really learn more about the Python coding and how to incorporate the distance sensor and the bumper switch into the carnival ride.
We just finished our coding, so it was a good transition from learning the code and plugging it straight into a project, as well as we were able to build something tangible and kind of our own imagination in order to translate our skills to hands-on experiences.
The students are using lots of creativity as they design, build, and test their games and rides.
I just love seeing their creativity. I love seeing what comes out of this. I don't give them any constraints really. I don't tell them this is what you have to do. I just give them the general idea, and then it's pretty cool to see what they can come up with from there.
This project is part of the students' Robotics and Automation Unit at May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.